back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
6th to 65 of John Jennings. 7th, Billy Weeks. And then 8th is the 22 of Samuel Hamilton. Green lights flashing, going green this time. Green flag is out here. Wyatt Coffey leads lap 1 here. Second is R.W. Armstrong. Third, Devin Beher. Fourth, Ryan LaRue. And fifth is John Jennings. Got a side-by-side there between Ryan LaRue and Devin Beher there, coming for third and fourth. Wyatt Coffey just looking to make his marks there out of turn 2. He is over a second and a half over R.W. Armstrong. 3 laps in the books. Eight laps is the distance in the 602 late model heats here tonight at Natural Bridge Speedway. Caution, caution. Turn 2 for 56 of Billy Weeks. Fairfield, Virginia's Billy Weeks brings out a caution. Three laps down, 5 laps left in this heat 1. Wyatt Coffey will bring us down in here to turn 4 in the restart. Green flag back out. Wyatt Coffey will be halfway here, halfway if we get back to the line here. Got 56 there again, spinning it in turn 2. Billy Weeks spins it out, brings out another caution. Four down, 4 to go here in heat 1. Wyatt Coffey has looked strong so far. Green is back out. Devin Beher looking to get a run on the outside of R.W. Armstrong. Moves into second. Here comes John Jennings underneath Armstrong in there for in turn 4. Armstrong still settles into third. Popsicle stick is out for Wyatt Coffey. 2 to go. Devin Beher second. R.W. Armstrong. So here you go, Heat 2, the Elite Racing Series, fueled by VP Racing. Kendall Tucker, Stephen Harrison on the front row of Heat 2, coming down into turn 3 and 4. Green is out. Squirrely there for the 99 of Matt Duggins. Kendall Tucker looking to lead lap 1 here. Got the 59 of Josh Priest slow there in 3 and 4. Kendall Tucker's your leader. He'll have to get around the lap car right there of Josh DePriest. Stephen Harrison second, third Daniel Durham, fourth Matthew Duggins, fifth is Tim Stalnaker, sixth is Jesse Murray, seventh is Justin Webb. 3 laps in the books for Heat 2. Here comes Stephen Harrison looking to get a run on Kendall Tucker here. Halfway in the books. Popsicle sticks in the air for Kendall Tucker. Stephen Harrison second, third Daniel Durham, fourth Matt Duggins, fifth Tim Stalnaker. White flag in the air from Mount Airy, North Carolina's Kendall Tucker in Heat 2. Working his way through turn 2, down the backstretch one more time. Making it smooth there through 3 and 4 on the bottom. Off of 4, checker flag in the air. Heat 2 winner Kendall Tucker. Second is Stephen Harrison. At the line, that Duggins got third. Fourth will be Daniel Durham, and fifth will be Tim Stalnaker. Sixth, the 18 of Jesse Murray. Seventh, Justin Webb, and eighth, the 59D of Josh DePriest. So green light is flashing here down the backstretch. We're going green this time. 8 laps. All cars will transfer to the A main. Bryce Smith and Jacob Lovell coming into turn 4. Green flag in the air. Covington, Virginia's Bryce Smith leads lap 1. Something amiss there on Waynesville, Virginia's Jacob Lovell. We'll take it pit side. Currently in second, Darren Christfield. Third is Dylan Hallnaker. And fourth, Chris Fretwell. Fifth, Dakota Fox. This will be halfway this time in Heat 3. Bryce Smith leading, Darren Christfield second. Third is Dylan Hallnaker. Fourth, Chris Fretwell. And fifth, Dakota Fox. Bryce Smith just has to hit his marks, and he will be looked on to win Heat 3 here. Popsicle sticks in the air for Bryce Smith. 2 laps, just 2 laps to go. White flag in the air for Bryce Smith. One more trip around Natural Bridge Speedway. Looking for it to be the winner of Heat 3 here. Coming through turn 2, down the backstretch one more time. Into turns 3 and 4 on the bottom. Checkered flag in the air. Your winner of Heat 3, Bryce Smith. Second, Darren Christfield. Third, Dylan Hallnaker. Fourth, Chris Fretwell. And fifth, Dakota Fox. So, ladies and gentlemen, your Heat 3 winner out of Covington, Virginia,